Chief Secretary Dr. J. Suresh Babu assures of helicopter services along 3 routes from Imphal within September 15 to 20. Students take out human chain protest along Imphal-Jiribam Road against Nungba incident of September 3, demanding arrest of suspected NSC and IM cadres. Chief Minister Biren appeals MSU to call off blockade along National Highway 37, assures efforts are on to nab culprits of Nungba incident with assistance from the Indian Army. Government of Manipur signs MOU with VFS Global South Asia to open a citizen facilitation center under the Mahut department. Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah assures of approaching Union Health Minister in person to fill in inadequacies facing Department of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation RIMS. Committee of Political Parties Manipur extends solidarity to nationwide Bharat Bandh called by All India Congress Committee against price hikes on essential commodities. And Manipur joins in observing International Literacy Day today. Education Minister Radhesham stresses need to reduce gender gap percentage in the literacy rate. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Helicopter services will start operating on trial basis from Imphal on 3 routes within September 15 to 20. Chief Secretary of Manipur IAS Dr. J. Suresh Babu announced the same during a program organized by Manipur Government Service Federation, Manipur Secretariat Service Association and Manipur State Pensioners Union to bring together executive members of the 3 associations at Lamphel Officers Club today. Speaking further, Dr. Suresh Babu stated that under Project Uran 2, helicopter services will operate on Imphal More, Imphal Tamenglong and Imphal Jiribam routes in the first phase, and later the service will be extended on Imphal Parbung route and Thangal. Stating that it is easy to start a protest but difficult to bring a conclusion to a prevalent issue, he expressed contentment in bringing a unanimous resolution between the 3 associations regarding implementation of 7th Pay Commission in the state. He further added that the ambitious go-to-village mission of the government has covered half of the state and assured to cover the remaining portions within the next 4 months.
In these 1,350 villages which we covered, we have received 2,83,000 representations. 2,83,000. And out of 2,83,000, nearly 2,30,000, 20,000 are already disposed. Disposed means they are accounted. We are delivering whatever is possible, disposing of. So we have developed a software which the planning department is implementing for go-to-village. So I could see from my job what is happening. So every application that is received is entered into that, scanned and kept. There's a big database. Okay, if I got money, I'll deliver tomorrow. If I don't have money, I can deliver after 10 days using that database. So we are building up a systematic scientific mechanism because transparency is lacking in many fronts in India.
Students formed human chain along Imphal-Jiribam Road today against the Nungba incident and demanded arrest of the suspected NSC and IM cadres involved in the incident. Students from various schools between Sagolbantera to Khumbong took part in the protest organized by MSU Imphal West District Committee, initiated by MSU headquarters. Speaking at the sidelines, Secretary General of MSU Imphal West District Committee, Basanta, urged everyone to support the 100 hours blockade commencing this midnight along National Highway 37 called by MSU against the unresponsiveness of the government even after 72 hours being served in connection with the Nungba incident of September 3.
emsuni haiba masak taklaba phawda saisakbi kaya yauna saliba dumba yamna ka hen mongda khut tharakliba simakna isam jamba innocent people singdadi innocent ayana kari toram gada ga haiba se emsugi oiba choubo hangam khakni sathariba thawang si emsuni yabanga moi 100 hours ki oi blockade ni chathagadori biste miyamna support tobiyo.
Students also formed human chain and protested against the Nungba market incident at Oinam in Bishnupur district today under the initiative of AMSU Bishnupur district committee. Various slogans were chanted condemning the incident. On the other hand, Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren had earlier assured to nab the suspected NSC and IM cadres who allegedly assaulted and harassed a cultural troupe led by AMSU at Nungba Market on September 3. He said the state government has sought assistance from the Indian Army and urged AMSU for more time to arrest the culprits as it is not an easy task. The Chief Minister appeals to all Manipur Students' Union to withdraw the blockade imposed along National Highway 37 considering the limitations of the state government. Chief Minister Biren intimated the same to media persons today during an event held at CM Secretariat in Babupara for signing a Memorandum of Understanding MOU with VFS Global for opening a citizen facilitation center in the state. Biren termed NSC and IM as a proscribed outfit in the state. He said the state government strongly condemns the Nungba market incident. Biren stated that the State Force and the 57 Mountain Division personnel are putting all-out efforts to arrest the absconding culprits. The Chief Minister also disclosed that 34 different locations are identified in both the national highways to station security forces.
When we know high legal authority do NSNIM state government late NSNIM is still unlawful and illegal in connection with the state government. Makoi the moina tawi high bedu ki matungina koi immediately FIR lost away aduga moi ki high rebel singnabu singdu phanana ba koi thibani aduga koi government side gi koi even sing the yam pak sok brina police khatana ngamda koi army ki matin go lobjadi haiba GOC army 57 mountain ki kari lower ga kanna fananaba mara leba sing book to honori mara leba book to the tawro government bi but matamdo hekta limit ama fix awdo madu khake koi de khudong jada badi.
Speaking in connection with the Manipur University crisis, Chief Minister Biren asserted that the state still abides by the Memorandum of Agreement signed between the Ministry of HRD and the varsity community, including himself. He appeals to everyone not to believe in misleading rumors. He also assured that the state government is urging the relevant ministry to bring a conclusive resolution.
Government is binding with the MOA, which were signed between Musu, Muta, Musa and the ISRD representatives in front of me here. We are binding by that agreement. Accordingly, we are pursuing to the concerned ministry to take appropriate action. One thing should be very clear in the mindset of the people. Manipur government cannot issue an order against anybody regarding the Manipur University issues because university is purely a central university. As per the MOA signed between the two parties, so we stand by that and we are pursuing to the ministry to follow and to implement as per the agreement.
Chief Minister Biren today signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the Head of Business VFS Global South Asia, Dev Kumar Pandopade, to open a citizen facilitation center under the Mahut department. The center will provide visa processing facility and 50 other services including acquisition of birth certificate, income certificate and caste certificate. In the initial stage, visas will be provided for places like France, Italy, Germany, Singapore, Switzerland, UK, Thailand and Schengen. The visa service will be functional after 3 months and other related facilities will also be available at the center to be opened at ISBT, Chingmerong. Stating that the center will also provide door-to-door delivery system in near future, Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren expressed pride that the state government was accorded 3 national awards for distinguished performance. The awards are namely Award for Manipur for implementation of 100% DBT through PFMS for Old Age Pension, the Social Welfare Department, National Award for implementation of Extended Gram Swaras Abhiyan, Chandel District, and Award for Best Performing SIRD, RDNPR Department.
High-level companies go state government ga MOU ma ngarang sign down masi hanadagi nets Norris Development Summit to gi nakna nai koi masi kisi hona lakpani bazada phangada benefits ya maruina visa maruina hana koi visa gi si akhoi adab dali yogdadi na traga kala yogdadi adabagi potom le aduna visa si huji si single window system si later banina masi operate akhoi masi moi operate tongna ba ISBT da koi building akhoi allocate tore identify tore masi da later ne aduna huji moi machineries kari puro ko hardly 2.5 months maximum 3 months kuma koi sangini.
Icham and Committee on Protection of Borderland has refuted the media statement over disputed border pillar 81 by Quata Village Authority yesterday as unfounded. The two organizations have asserted that they have been relentlessly working for enhancing ties between the inhabitants of both the hills and the valley and in defending the integrity of Manipur. Speaking to media persons at Icham's office at Menuthong, President of Icham, Yuimi Horam, maintained that Surveyor General of India had assured to revisit Quata and survey the disputed site after 1 month. However, following the Surveyor General's failure to keep his assurances, representatives of Icham and Committee on Protection of Borderland, Manipur, including village authorities of Quata, met with Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren regarding the same on August 31st. He said the Chief Minister affirmed to repair the road leading to the village and also to construct a guest house at Quata village. Speaking further, he lamented that Quata Village Authority, in contradiction to the understanding, claimed on local dailies, accusing Icham and Committee on Protection of Borderland Manipur of speaking as spokespersons for the government.
Asumay na paper dangrang thok basi ekoi dingakre asi kana gumbana insilaga tawbra haina su ekoi khale adu matung manaw dadi asi gumba yam phataba atmosphere si Manipur gi ijinaw singbo sumayna phongthok halaga sumayna kinot halaga tawba haibsi taw pi dana ba kitamak ekoi Icham ki tarapda aduga Committee on Protection of Indo-Myanmar Borderland Manipur ki tarapda asi matung manaw dadi asumayna tawpi ganu.
All Tribal Rights Protection Forum Manipur has called a total shutdown in hills districts of Manipur from 6 a.m. of September 14 till 7 p.m. of September 16 in demand to revoke the State Cabinet decision of August 23 on monitoring of works undertaken by Autonomous District Council, Churachandpur, Tamenglong and Senapati. Addressing media persons at All Tribal Rights Protection Forum office in Nagaram this afternoon, President of the forum, Joseph Rongmei, condemned the state government for trying to intervene undertakings of ADC. He asserted that as per the Indian Constitution's Article 371, Clause C, the Hills Area Committee is assigned a responsibility for monitoring all undertakings of ADC. He said the total shutdown was called in retaliation to the indifference of the government despite repeated pleas to revoke the state cabinet decision. Joseph said all government offices, state and national projects will be put on hold during the total shutdown with exemption for services related to electricity, fire, medical and media. He appeals to all the hills-based organizations for support. President of the forum also demanded Chairman of Hills Area Committee, T.T. Haukip, and Tribal Affairs and Hills Minister N. Kaishi to tender their resignations for remaining silent on the issue.
Matamsu akoi PBABam makai pikre revoke tonanaba adu government ke site hojik phause kariyamta response lagte masigi order se athuba matamda revoke taudragadi date 14 September dagi 16 September fau akoi total shutdown ching district khuding da akoi taujarani loina na hojik hill area committee ki chairman so karigi mathau taudadana masigi tribal issue sida Kariamta attention pidraga mana BJP party the lay ay kay sutobang amde hay na hayrak pa wahay si Karim Arthano adu oibni na mahak magi pham thadok kadabani.
ASHA workers of Moray took out a protest rally against irregular payments of monthly allowances today. All Moray ASHA Worker Association organized a rally which began from Moray Primary Health Center and rallied in and around Moray town. The protesters displayed various placards demanding to raise their monthly salary up to 18,000 rupees and to provide pensions.
Manipur da asasing sina lisang sina thabak surak pa matamda ayuk nong thin nongju nong sa khaktana wana thabak surak pa matamda akoi gi hak phangda base phangnana bangasi khoi gi more asasing nasu asa worker sing nasu akoi relay ama chachari akoi state atai dadi moi gi phangbom thokpa hak tolop phangna gare khoi gi Manipur gi state sidasu akoi gi asasing gi phangbom thokpa phanghan biu.
As observed across the globe, Manipur observed the World's Physical Therapy Day today. All Manipur Physiotherapists Association AMPA organized the event on the theme Physical and Mental Health at Lamyanba Shanglen Palace Compound today. Speaking in the event, Governor Dr. Nachma A. Haptullah lamented that there are just 6 physiotherapists at RIMS, which is one of the pioneering medical institutes of the Northeast. Stating that a memorandum in this regard was submitted to the Health Ministry yesterday, she further assured of meeting the Union Health Minister in person in New Delhi to look into the inadequacies of the Department of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation RIMS without further delay. Taking part in the event, Ministers Karam Sham and V. Hankalian also lauded physiotherapists for their significant contributions in the medical field.
I have written to the Health Minister that RIM is the only super specialty hospital, government hospital in our region, not only in Manipur state. And it covers the entire northeast region. And as I was told yesterday, as only about the physiotherapist, every day 500 patients come. Now, how can 6 doctors take care of 500? 6 physiotherapists can do justice to 500 patients. I promise that RIM will get all the support. I'm going to Delhi. I'll meet the health minister. I'll explain to them what is the issues facing us.
ISACON Northeast 2018, a 2-day conference of the Indian Society of Anesthesiologists Northeast began today at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JNIMS. Anesthetists from the Northeast are participating in the conference organized by Indian Society of Anesthesiologists Manipur branch, which will conclude tomorrow. Speaking at the sidelines, JNIMS Director Professor T.H. Bimo said the conference was organized to enlighten anesthetists on new medicines and diseases. He also highlighted the significant role of anesthetists in saving lives. He added advancement in the field of anesthesia can be a big contribution in reducing death rates among patients. Dr. Bhimo also mentioned that the field is in practice in Manipur since the past 40 years. He also mentioned that the anesthesia workstation of JNIMS has been successfully performing operations and other surgical treatments. He believed that the conference will prove beneficial to anesthetists of the state and bring an advancement in the field. Secretary National of Indian Society of Anesthesiologists, Dr. Venkatagiri KM, Director of the State Health Directorate, Dr. K. Rajo, and RIMS Director, Professor A. Shanta attended the conference.
Anesthesia gi field sida leiriba PG Chatra amadi Dr. Singda Anova development mayamdo khangminanaba tawbani. Anesthesia gi department yaugdana life saving process amata tawya de gynecology surgeon super specialist natraga physician singna phawriba life saving tawre operation successful haire habisi anesthesia gi mapanani. Anesthesia department asi chaukhatuna modern technology si sijanaraba matamdada hospital khudingmaki mortality sibagi chang asi soidana handaba purakpa ngamgani.
The 14th Annual National Conference of Indian Association for Geriatric Mental Health Giron 2018 kicked off at Hotel Classic Grants today. Speaking at the sidelines, head of Department of Psychiatric RIMS, Dr. R.K. Lenin said the rate of aged population suffering from mental illness has increased over the last 10 years in Manipur. Dr. Lenin, who is also the secretary of the organizing committee, mentioned that though there are no official researches conducted yet, the rise can be ascertained from the number of elderly persons visiting mental clinics. He said ignorance and negligence of family members leads to low self-esteem, anxiety and depression among aged persons. President of Chorus Repertory Theatre, renowned theatre director Ratan Thiam was among those present in the event. A souvenir entitled Giron 2018 was also released on the occasion.
Kayamuk halaman sing face story base akoina thoina khalude aduga makoina su haifam leitabadona aduma khangdun leina base akoina thengnari bangaktani khudamoina hairabada machamasu singa mamuk singa makoiga wari batai sadana jamin thapinna dana leiminabagi tanja dunga sidi nongmonomuge sumak mangsalakle nuksiba nuksidabagi wato oka machamasu singsina magi thabak inkhang chen no honabada makoisi tonga na mayum sida ayama matamdi chikna kanamta loina dana lehobo matam sida aduki matik makoida awaba Kangam daba langtak na bazai ting phangyai pse koi thoidona khalude adu masina maram oirakhanda depression ge anaba anxiety ge anaba hakchang sonthabi ge anaba hingbagi thoidokpa artha ma lerakta badona khanbasi yamna toina thengnare issue singasi amamam to ne lakhal akanda tungkoi nagi lakado matam sidaisa semdok sadokba kari towi agadage haibashki maramda conference sida khanajabani.
The fortnight eye donation camp organized by Saksham Prant concluded today. Speaking in the concluding event held at Manipur Press Club, CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham assured to look into the non-functional eye banks in the state and expedite operations at the earliest. He lamented that eye banks in the state with 400 eye donors remain non-functional due to inefficiency of the relevant authorities. The minister stressed the need for everyone to perform one's responsibilities for bringing development. Many differently abled persons also took part in the event.
Mina mini shorter ba mayam ni matin pang du ne ba adu ki wakalon do koi da like thra di akoi government le ki mathau sa di na ki khanja ba adi adu group ne cha inau sing da mata akoi na ka thu bon nam da kana na ka thu ko no moi ki da mata le akoi ni hingam doi si moi ki ai khana ba to du ne.
A workshop on pedico-legal under Indian Academy of Pediatrics IAP Action Plan 2018 was organized at the Conference Hall of Jennings today. The workshop, organized by Pediatric Association of Manipur, was attended by 6 resource persons and a doctor from Jamshedpur. Consumer Protection Act legal expert C.H. Narendra spoke at length on pedico-legal issue in the workshop. All India Congress Committee has called for nationwide Bharat Bandh from the midnight of September 9 till 7 p.m. of September 10 against recent price hikes on essential commodities by the BJP-led government at the centre. AICC and MPCC asserted that the Bandh in acknowledgement of the plights facing the people due to price hikes and not considering interests of one particular political party. Addressing media persons in this regard at Congress Bhavan today, CWC member Gai Khangam said, even though Bandh and blockade bring loss, Bharat Bandh is called against the NDA-led government looting the public. CLP leader Okrami Bobby questioned if Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Achhe Din is looting from public by hiking the price of essential commodities. AICC Secretary in charge Dr. Vijaya Lakshmi compared the prices of essential commodities of UPA-led government and BJP-led government. She said the price of crude oil in international market has decreased, but there is no change of price in India.
Handakti tangai fadana kaudaba yadaba laaba haibta masi mayamna Congress na kauba banni hadana adi lobi dabana phabran law masi ban sidi Bharat ta leriba praja punamakna apambado madigi banni
hojik lawmi sing praja sing je hue and cry
All India Congress Committee na Sri Rahul Jina Kauriba Hangsit ki tang tarada Taugadoriba Bharat Bansrida Manipur Laiba Praja section Kudimagna like-minded political party Kudimagna non-government organization civil society organization traders sing marketer Laiba traders sing transport association sing Laiba Mayam Punamagna cooperation PBU
जब यूपीए गवर्नमेंट थी तब कितना मोदी जी ने मजाक बनाया था लेकिन आज जब आम नागरिक इतना परेशान हो रहा है लेकिन एक भी ट्वीट हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी नहीं कर रहे हैं
Committee of Political Parties Manipur extended solidarity to the nationwide Bharat Bandh called by All India Congress Committee against recent price hikes on essential commodities like petrol, diesel, LPG, gas and other items. Addressing media persons in this regard at Congress Bhavan today, convener of the committee, Dr. M. Nara, reaffirmed the same. He maintained extending solidarity to Bharat Bandh by left parties followed suit as left parties have earlier intended to protest against the same.
Cooking gas the hengali bamaman punamana khangnar ngakani. It is beyond belief. It is as if nungdin pobopta sagun to wedu madugi thakta lakpasina unbearable weba burden ama to the common people. Madugi kholauni ngasi barut ki leiba left secular democratic parties mayamama maduda Congress ki su moigi warep ama lakchabani loinana left ki party mayam ki su warep ama Madu common issue sida numiti 10th September se as a protest day, general strike, masida dharna to view, protest rally at view, sit in protest, whatever in any form, depending on the requirement of the states.
Proscribed militant group People's Liberation Army, a subsidiary group of Revolutionary People's Front and Manipur Naga People's Front, in a joint press release have claimed responsibility for the twin attacks on Fort Assam Rifles camp posted between Aibol and Zaupi in Agyang of Chandel district on September 5 and in the morning of September 7. According to the press release, the attacks killed 2 Assam Rifles personnel, injured numerous others and brought massive destruction in the camp. Persecution branch of Superintendent of Police Imphal West organized a one-day colloquium on investigation of Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances (NDNPS) Act cases and aspects of the trial at the banquet hall of 1st Manipur Rifles today. Investigating officers of various drug-related cases in different districts of the state and police officers attended the program. Speaking in the event, Special Judge of NDNPS FTC Manipur W. Tonin stated that there are many pending drugs-related cases in Manipur. He said delay in timely submission of reports on drug-related cases by respective IOs and discrepancies in the reports are the reasons behind the delay in solving the cases. Tonin stressed the need for IOs to have an in-depth on narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances in order to facilitate them in discharging their duties. Taking part in the meet, DGP LM Kaute asserted that the colloquium will enlighten police officers and urge the IOs to discharge their duties sincerely and without any fear.
Any notice of how SB producing through the secretary, my person was that is Ganda, Alaku Matamsi, Yabani, Amani, Ganda, because they want to cases at Tabata, all of them. What Madhu need is kindly extend your long hand.
You have a very good, effective law, act. And if you don't know how to apply very effectively, in full measure, then I think we'll be faltering and will not be able to deliver effective justice. During the last 3.5 years, we have registered 292 cases, which I think is fairly okay as compared to other.
Manipur Police Department in a press release informed that acting on a tip-off, Commando Imphal East arrested an active member of proscribed outfit pre-parked from Sangakpham Market on September 5 at 2 in the afternoon. The arrested person is identified as Arambam Bir Kumar alias R.K. Kumar alias Kanba, 45 years, son of Arambam Gunamani from Chingmairong, Mamang. A case was registered against him at Hangang Police Station and investigations are underway. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on International Literacy Day celebration at Manipur State Film Development Society today. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. The Department of Adult Education and State Literacy Mission Authority jointly observed International Literacy Day at Manipur State Film Development Society's auditorium in Palace Compound. Speaking on the occasion, Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham noted that according to 2011 census, the literacy rate of men in Manipur is 83.58%. That of the female is 70.26% with a gender gap of 13.32%. Stating that Manipur is lagging behind in comparison to Mizoram and Kerala with merely 4% gender gap, Education Minister Radhesham stressed the need to reduce the percentage of gender gap in literacy rate of the state. Speaking further, the minister maintained that large number of potential youth in the state are rendered inefficient due to lack of respect and cooperation among one another. Various elderly people who retired from adult education department, including distinguished teachers, were felicitated on the occasion. Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham, Commissioner of Higher and School Education H. Dilip, Commissioner of Adult Education T.H. Gopen, including various eminent persons, took part in the event.
We have very rich culture, but ahalaman the taxicasi later later imana bama tarakra mating pangsige ay yung ginakan leba thanari bi manung sikra mating pangsige ay kunno kwai wabam lere handicap lere kamay mal luching bisige kadare kari guide to bisige. How can I become a source of joy? Hi bi wai sing do adugi culture de koi kadai sakragya matam amda lere me akoi samaj ma ngona phadana yam challenge hai taragadi akoi unity leba nungsinaba amaga awana taba mi singlo tuge tawda nakpiba shonge tawda inbiba nandege tawda singkhapiba adu attitude yawarba helping attitude positive oiraba adu mayam lere ngasi literacy akoi illiterate mayam se we could have long time back loina ma koi illiterate oirama yaramane.
International Literacy Day 2018 was also observed at Primrose English School in Kabaishoy, organized by All Manipur Muslims Welfare Association and School Management Committee of the school. September 8 was declared International Literacy Day by UNESCO on November 17 in 1965. The day aims to highlight the importance of literacy to individuals, communities, and societies. National People's Party (NPP) and Youth Wing of the party distributed stationery items and other items to the children of Tera Children Home in relation to International Literacy Day today. NPP Publicity Secretary C.H. Bijoy urged the children of the home never to degrade themselves. He encouraged them by assuring that there are many social workers to help them. Residents initiated construction of Lilong Kaleikong Road with assistance from social workers today. Addressing media persons, General Secretary of Lilong United Youth Forum, B.M. Saddam Hussein, stated that despite repeated requests, authority concerned failed to repair the road. The garden care service provider under the aegis of Mission Organic Value Change Development for Northeast Region, the Ministry of Agriculture, organized a plant health camp at Lilong Haurebi Makhalekai in Thaubal district today. Organic and biomedicinal products were made available at wholesale rates to the farmers. Farmers expressed desires to conduct such camps frequently. Drugs worth around 10 lakh rupees seized by Anti-Drug Abuse Campaign Committee Moray during its ongoing drive against drugs in Moray since the beginning of September were set ablaze today. The contraband drugs, including World TCO's tablet heroin number 4, were destroyed in front of media persons on Hill Tribal Council office. Speaking to media persons, convener of the committee, Kup Gangte, said the drive against drugs proceeded with an aim to save Moray from becoming a haven for drugs. He affirmed to continue the drive against drugs and intoxicants in Moray. The 71st Lining Ngak Shenba Numit was observed at the shrine of Ibuthau Pakhangba in Kangla today with the hoisting of the Malem Papal by Revenue Minister Karam Sham. Members of All India Kangla Pakhangba Temple Development Society who organized the event expressed disappointment that there were too many restrictions on performing the religious rituals freely. Speaking in the event, Minister Karam Sham assured to approach Chief Minister N. Biren, who is also the chairman of Kangla Fort Board, not to impose such restrictions on performing religious and cultural events inside Kangla. It may be mentioned that the day is observed in commemoration of the day in the history of Manipur on the 29th day of Thawan, Meitei lunar calendar in 1947, when King Bodhachandra revived the Meitei faith and brought harmony between the people of the hills and the valley. Ever since, the day has been religiously observed as Lining Ngak Shenba Numit with traditional fervor.
Democracy chatpa Manipur Sarkar Lairaba Sarkar ki mihut nama yauna minister ma yauna tawgadaba function namada ningka tamma piramdabasdi pau phongna ba watpra natraga sarkar ge akoi ki asoiba laibra haibadu adi chapsana di khangdona na bohona gani tihasna porakhiba akoi da awonba ahongba ki khongchat ama khangna akoi je kitang adi sarang khoirang aba muthokre aduba haugiba ityas do akoina miraiba natraga maduba akoina adi wona taina ba khanbagi muhutta adi laiba tungi mirolgi khallaga hena yai phanna ba adi hotnarakbagi tangai phadabagi tanja duni haina aina logjai aduna ngasi islinau sina laktana kotna laifam len sida angamba khara adi kattana adi pungningi oiba phongdoreba se yam independently mathang dadi songchoi choi dana freely adi langning ma manipuri praja
Apunba Manipur Kanba Imalub Amkil celebrated its 28th Foundation Day at Amkil head office in Kaishampat today. Representatives of various women organizations attended the event. Floral tributes were paid to deceased members of the women organization. A storybook entitled Tumlam Daida Amadang by Nabakumar Nongmai Kapam and a poetry book entitled Sithari Pirang Atom Bomna by Chongtham Subadini were released at the hall of Manipur Hindi Parishad today. Many Manipuri literature enthusiasts attended the event organized by Manipur Literary Society. All Manipur Muslim Development Committee AMMDC and Minority Upliftment Progressive Association MUPA jointly felicitated Yumkhaibam Nanau, who walked rallies from India Gate in New Delhi up to Kangla Gate, advocating national integration and spreading the message to curb drug abuse and crime against women and children in the society. It may be recalled that Nanau was acclaimed as Pangal Pari Athauba for the same. Singjamai Apunba Chanura Sinthalub organized a stipend distribution program at the residence of Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Yumnam Khemchan in Yumnam Lekai today. The second phase of the stipend were entrusted upon women weavers of Singjamai constituency who had received training under Manipur Handloom and Handicraft Development Corporation. Speaking in the event, wife of the speaker, Yumnam Joy Bala, maintained that the 45 days program was organized in different places of the constituency with an aim to economically empower women folk of the state. She mentioned that Chairman of Manipur Handlooms and Handicraft Development Corporation, S. Rajan, played a vital role in successfully executing the training program.
Self-employment pinabagi Handloom Corporation of Manipur na sinbiduna ngasigi 45 days ki training program asi handaka ani suba base ni mamangi base loisangre ado nupi kun na saraga ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯡꯖꯃꯩ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯗ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯅꯤꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯈꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯊꯣꯉꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯁꯤꯡꯖꯃꯩ ꯆꯤꯉꯥꯃꯈꯥ ꯂꯤꯋꯥꯗꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯏꯄꯦꯟ ꯌꯦꯟꯊꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ
Now the sports news. Bhutan will host SAFF Under-18 Girls Football Championship from September 29 to October 7 at Chamilthang Football Stadium. All India Football Federation is organizing a trial-cum-coaching camp at Patiala for the championship. 6 players from Manipur as Monica W. Kanchan, Sarita Yumnam, Y. Pakpi, PH Sanathokpi and A. Roja were intimated by All India Football Federation to take part in the camp. Haubam Bhushan of Manipur has emerged as the champion of the ONGC ITA Under-16 Boys Super Series Tennis Championship. In the championship organized by Jorhat Tennis Club and All Assam Tennis Association under the aegis of All India Tennis Association at Jorhat Tennis Club, Haubam Bhushan defeated his formidable opponent from Assam, Adib Gogoi, 6-7, 5-7, 6-2 and 6-3 to clinch the championship trophy. The 2 medal-winning Manipuri players who represented India in the boxing event of the Second Nations Cup held at Serbia from August 15 to 19 were accorded warm reception upon their arrival in Imphal International Airport today. The 2 Manipuri players are gold medalists in 52 kg category and Best Boxer awardee and Babiroji Sana Chanu, daughter of N. Robindro from Samaran Mamang Laikai, and silver medalist T.H. Sanamacha Chanu, daughter of T.H. Sanatomba from Tingtham Mamang Laikai. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Secretary Dr. J. Suresh Babu assures of helicopter services along 3 routes from Imphal within September 15 to 20. Students take out human chain protest along Imphal-Jiribam Road against Nungba incident of September 3, demanding arrest of suspected NSC and IM cadres. Chief Minister Biren appeals MSU to call off blockade along National Highway 37, assures efforts are on to nab culprits of Nungba incident with assistance from the Indian Army. Government of Manipur signs MOU with VFS Global South Asia to open a citizen facilitation center under the Mahoots Department. Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah assures of approaching Union Health Minister in person to fill in inadequacies facing Department of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation RIMS. Committee of Political Parties Manipur extends solidarity to nationwide Bharat Bandh called by All India Congress Committee against price hikes on essential commodities. And Manipur joins in observing International Literacy Day today. Education Minister Radhesham stresses need to reduce gender gap percentage in the literacy rate.